This tutorial points to flow of handling processing, threadings or memory point case flow. Here just point case of weak self-capture tasks, informations of statement, so figure 1.0 showing general info. Pointing to timer statement and also inside using variables handling threading conditions based on old base compilers versions point of views. So figure 1.1 showing the statements of tasks without no reflections of threading process. Pointing to timer statements and also inside using variables handling threading conditions based on latest compilers versions point of views. So figures 1.2 showing the statements of tasks, errors, threading process point cases. Here points to thread executions of tasks by using latest keywords, await, asyncs, behalf of latest flow points of views. So figure 1.3 arrow points to conditions. Pointing to timer statements and also inside using variables handling threading conditions based on latest compilers versions point of views. So figure 1.4 showing the statements of tasks, avoiding threading process, point case, keywords points to await asyncs.